Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to recover deleted contacts from Google account or Gmail account, or recover deleted contact number from Gmail or Google account, or restore deleted contacts from Google account or Gmail account, or restore deleted contact number from Gmail account or Google account. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted contact or contact number from Gmail account or Google account, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Gmail. Here you can see your Gmail, open it, and then you can see left top corner 3 button option, click on it and then scroll down, and then you can see contacts, so click here and open contacts, and then you can see right top corner your Gmail or Google account profile picture, click on it, and then you can see contacts app settings, so click on it, contacts app settings, and then undo changes, so click here undo changes, and then you can choose your Gmail or Google account, undo all changes made from any point in the past, and then you can see undo changes from 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, yesterday, 1 week ago, customs, so I can choose customs, so click here custom, and then scroll down. Here you can see days, hours, minutes. You can choose your need days, hours and minutes. I can choose my need days, hours and minutes. I can choose and selected my need days, hours and minutes, and then you can see confirm, so click here confirm. Here you can see your contacts list will be changed back to how it was on Tuesday, May 2, 2023, 7:03 p.m. It may take some time for these changes to show up on your device. Remember, and then OK. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted contacts, or recover and restore your deleted contact number from your Google account or Gmail account. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.